Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What would you like to order?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Do you want hot coffee or iced coffee?
I want hot coffee.
Okay. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar in your coffee?
Yes, I would like both milk and sugar.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes, I would like a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich would you like?
Do you have chicken sandwiches?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'll take one chicken sandwich.
Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please.
All right. Anything to drink besides coffee?
No, just coffee is fine.
Okay. Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a few minutes.
Sure.
Here is your coffee and sandwich.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.